Charitra 5. In Jainism, Lord Mahavira has propounded two paths for spiritual practice, Anuvrat and Mahavrat. Householder follows Anurag, that is 12 vows, and ascetics follows 5 Mahavratas. In order to lead an ascetic life, one has undertake Charitra. The word Charitra or conduct means the stoppage of impure activities of the soul. There are 5 kinds of Charitras: Samayik Charitra, Chedopastapanya Charitra, Parihar Vishuddhi Charitra, Suksham Sampray Charitra, Yathakhyat Charitra. Initiation conduct. Samayik Charitra means abstinence from all kind of sinful activities by the threefold karma: doing, getting, done by others, and praising the one doing if by 3 kinds of activity: your body, speech, and mind, and establish oneself in Sambhava. By doing so, the influence of karma by non-existence Avrat ashram is stopped completely. It is of 2 kinds: Itvarik, Yathakhyatita Charitra. Itvarik Charitra for a short time period like minimum 7 days, moderate 4 months, maximum 6 months. This Charitra exists in the period of first and last Tirthankar. Yavat Khatita Charitra. Yavat Khatita Charitra is taken for the lifelong. This Samayik Charitra exists in the time period of the middle 22 Tirthankaras. The person who takes Samayik Charitra attains the 6th stage of spiritual development. Chedopastapanya Charitra or confirmation by ordination means the final admission by means of detailed instruction of each Mahavrata one by one, taking the great vows and division. Whenever there are blemishes in the previously accepted initiation, conduct, an ascetic is reinitiated as atonement for the sins committed. This is also confirmation by ordination conduct. Vishuddhi Charitra, purification conduct. The word Parihar means special penance of purification. Thus, it is known as Parihar Vishuddhi Charitra or purification conduct. This conduct is practiced in the 6th and 7th stage of spiritual development. This is a special course of assurity which undertaken by a group of 9 ascetics who are 9 Purvadhara or processor of knowledge, little less than 10 Purvas. This presence is practiced for 18 months. In this conduct, in the first 6 months, one out of them is elected as the Acharya for monks, practice penance. And 4 others help them and remain in their service. In the next 6 months, those who were in service undertake penance, and those who did penance take the charge of service. The Acharya or leader remains the same. In the last 6 months, the Acharyas undergoes penance and 1 out of the 8 others is elected as new Acharya, and the rest 7 serve the previous Acharya Charitra. In this Charitra, only a residue of suitable greed remains. The ascetic subside or destroy the 3 passions: anger, pride, or deceit. This Charitra is attained only in the length 10th stage of spiritual development, Gunasthan. Yathakyas Charitra or the perfect conduct remains from 11 to 14th stage of spiritual development, Gunasthan. Here the practitioner either substitute of or destroy all kinds of passion, even the subsistence greed. The ascetic with destroy passion attain liberation in the same world.